The first question here that was sent to me was, is there a possibility that Elixir placenta can help or minimize the symptoms of autism spectrum disorder, you know, um, or ASD, autism for short, no? Sorry. Magulo itong okay. PDF reader. Okay, sorry. Um, ang autism, siguro marami na kayo nakitang mga autistic, ika nga, no? Um, na mga kamag-anak or mga anak ng kamag-anak ninyo who are suffering from autism, no? Um, and to be direct to the point, ang autism is really developmental disability yon, no? Which is caused by differences in the brain. So ang problema niya is sa brain, no? Um, Persons na mayroong ASD or autistic, no? They have problems with social communication. So communicating with their whoever, relatives, no, friends, hindi sila masyadong ma-communicate, no? And interaction wise, medyo may kaunting problema because restricted sila, and there are, notice niyo yung mga repetitive movements nila, and they have um, behaviors and interests na are kakaiba doon sa atin. They physically are normal. Yeah. A lot of them are normal physically. Wala kayong makikitang physical defect, no? And believe me, a lot of autistic persons are talented, intelligent, no? And ang problema lang nila is really socially interacting, no? Which kadamihan ho sa atin ini-expect na behave tulad natin, tulad ng walang autism, no? But that is not how they behave, no? Ang problema kasi sa autism, sa autistic persons is genes, no? It is the problem lies in their chromosomes, doon sa genes nila. And usually about, ang sabi nga nila, an average of about 100 genes doon sa chromosomes nila ang involved, no? So this causes different degrees, no? Or gradations ng autism. Mayroong mild, may moderate, mayroong mas severe doon, no? And with this, may mga sinasabi tayong slight changes, medium changes, and severe changes, no? And this we call as mutations, no? Siguro alam nyo ang ibig sabihin ng mutations, yung pagkakaiba na iba doon sa gene sequencing ng mga chromosomes natin, no? So, ang tanong niya is, there a possibility that EP Elixir can help, no? Or minimize the symptoms of autism? Of course, there is, no? There is, it helps. It helps. Definitely, it will help, no? Ang ano kasi, ang autism has different ways of being treated. As a matter of fact, marami na ho ngayon nag-specialize niya ng mga clinics just devoted or solely concentrating on autistic persons, no? And they manage them behaviorally, and cognitive behavior nila. Yung the earlier my intervention, the better. And then I know there are educational or school-based therapies, no? May mga schools sila specialized specifically for this, no? And there is a joint effort from both sides doon sa mga centers and sa bahay nila. They try to coordinate this para focused ang management sa mga autistic individuals, no? Medication, may mga medication silang ginagamit, and of course, ito na tayo, nutritional. Dito pumapasok yung Elixir placenta. So Elixir placenta can be part of the nutritional therapy, no? Because it boosts your immune system. Okay, not specifically treating the gene problem. No, what you have here is a gene defect in the chromosome of the individual, which pinupunan ng ating therapies, behavioral management, cognitive therapies, and this in fact, including occupational therapies, this in fact, makikita ninyo napakadaming, napaka dali ng improvement nila if this is well coordinated. Pumapasok ang Elixir Placenta being supplement in the nutritional therapy, no? Aspect of autistic persons, no? So I think there is no known treatment, specifically treatment for autistic persons. All of these are supportive in a way to be able to mold the person, assist him in whatever difficulties the autistic person has. As I mentioned, yung 7 na yon, no? Behavioral, management, cognitive, behavior, educational, school-based, joint attention, the medication, nutritional, and occupational therapies. Okay? So are there any questions before we go to question number 2? Yes, are there? Kung wala, then we will proceed to question number 2.
There is a question from JB Templanza. Yung 30 years old na autism, may pag-asa ba daw, Doc?
What do you mean may pag-asa? Nanliligaw ba siya o hindi? Joke lang. Ano? No, as I mentioned earlier, the earlier na madadiagnose siya, the better the outlook. Ano? So, kahit anong problema, mas maaga mo madadiagnose, malalaman, then easily a team can be formed to treat the patient, no? Mas ma-address. Kaya nga yung iba, madaling hindi mo mapapansin na may autism, no? Parang normal na siya because ilang years na siya na ma-manage, no? And those who were not managed earlier would have problems, no? Na obvious na iba ang kanyang behavioral dynamics as compared to the general population. It does not matter anong edad niya, even if you mention 30 years old, ano ang question niya kung may pag-asa nga pala. May pag-asa. All of this naman, may pag-asa. No? As I said, the earlier managed, the better. Now, whether 5 years old, 7 years old, or 30 years old, still, ang focus natin is the condition of the patient when nalaman na mayroon siyang ganong problema. If nalaman niyo siya, dinala sa therapist niya at a severe stage, then of course, hindi maganda ang kanyang outlook. Pero kapag maaga, then mas madali. Hindi siya nagpo-progress agad, nababalik, nare-revert doon sa nearing the normal behavior of the general population. So it does not matter whether the patient is old or young. What matters most is the stage at which nalaman mo siya na na-diagnose siya na may ganon na problema. Just like any disease, no? Cancer or any problem, no? Pagka nagkaroon na ng stage 1, 2, 3 progressive, no? What we can do is the best that we can do is delay the progression. Okay, the lower the early the stage, the better the outlook. So I think that's the way I can answer that, no. Mahirap kasi magsabi na may pag-asa, gagaling. It is your sabihin na natin yung bar, your standard of saying ano ang magaling, 'di ba? Ano ang magaling? I have seen a lot of autistic patients na napaka-intelihente. Ang gagaling magbasa. Hayaan mo lang siya doon, may sarili siyang mundo. Sasabihin niyo, ay may sariling mundo yan, wag niyo na pansinin, no? But really, really, pag inalam mo yung mga binabasa niya, i-explain sa iyo, magugulat ka. Detalyado, ang ganda ng memory niya. Mas magaling pa siya kaysa doon sa sinasabi nating normal. Believe me. So, do not underestimate these persons. No, I don't even call them patients. These persons, because iba ang kanilang ang daming matataas ang IQ ng autistics, no. The only difference I have mentioned to you earlier, no, start pa lang, is their social, the way they communicate with others. Kasi tayo, we expect them to to behave in a way na mayroon tayong mental picture of how a person should behave. Hindi sila ganun eh, no? They can express themselves in another way na hindi natin sabihin natin very common among those who do not have autism, no? But it doesn't make them less of a person. Believe me. Ang dami kong kakilala ng mga doctors who have autistic children, but yet they blend with society na akala mo hindi autistic. Okay? So, definitely, oo, may pag-asa. Definitely. Oo, I can say that, no? And especially, nutrition-wise, kung naaalagaan siya, sorry, masakit sa tenga. Pag naalagaan natin siya with nutrition and enough support therapies, nako, baka hindi niyo mapansin na mayroon siyang problema kung sasabihin niyo naman na autism is a big problem, no. They just have their own world, and I have seen a lot of autistic persons who ang tatalino. Believe me, yung mga binabasa nila, they have very photographic or very memories of what they read, and mga wide reader sila. Sabihin mo may sariling mundo, but that it in a positive way, because yung kanilang ginugugol na oras doon sa pagbabasa, let's say they have their own world of ito yun, no? Tayo, iba ang mundo natin. Gusto natin mag-FB, mag-Facebook and all. Sila hindi. For example, they are more into reading, they are more into research, they focus their mental capacities into something they want. So let's not, sabi nga ng iba, be judgmental, no? But doon sila masaya eh. Honestly, doon sila masaya. So ang kadamihan ng mga yan, they open up to those they know na they trust or who understands them. So yes, definitely kung yun ang measure natin ng pag-asa, na slowly blending with what other the general population behaves, then yes, definitely may pag-asa. But definitely they are normal in every sense, no. As I mentioned earlier, there's nothing wrong with them physically. It's just a matter of their behavioral dynamics lang.
All right, thank you for that, Doc. Follow-up question from Miss Evelyn Soles and Miss Grace Piano. How young yung pwedeng mag-take ng Elixir Placenta with ASD? Kasi they are questioning like 4 years old, pwede na ba mag-take?
We do not, I've been mentioning this to you all, no. Ang ating Elixir is medyo may kalakihan, no. It's a big capsule, no. So let's be more careful when giving it to younger patients, no. specifically those who still cannot swallow, no? And they might choke, and we have a bigger problem, no? So the younger patients, we try to avoid, no, as much as we can, no? We can have other ways of giving them nutritional therapies, supplements, enough that for them to swallow. It's much better that way. Kesa every time na lang na nagte-take siya, inaabangan mo baka mamaya mag-choke. So kailangan na nandoon ka perme kung wala kayo, and he does or she does something na inumin yan isa, dalawa pagsabayin, no? Others kasi might take 2 or 3. You might have a problem in your hands. So we try to avoid, no, for very young patients, no.